This is a wiring diagram for a 240 volt AC ammeter voltmeter. It measures up to 500 volts and up to 100 amps. It comes like this on eBay, but it does not have wiring instructions. On the UK scale, the blue wire, the neutral, goes to terminal X1 on the back of the voltmeter, and then it goes on, out. The brown wire, the live wire, goes to terminal X2 and then passes through the rectifier and again out. The green wire, which is earth, does not change. The power comes from this mains cable here, and as can be seen, the brown wire comes in here and goes out through the rectifier there and out on that wire. The blue comes in from the cable and out, and the earth, which is green, is unchanged. The main power source is going to come from here, and there is nothing attached, no implement attached to our socket out, but it is ready to be used when we need it. So if I turn the power on now, we will just get a voltage reading. And there we are, 244 volts. I have now attached an electric fire and we'll see what results now. I shall switch on the power. And there we have 242 volts, but no ampage being used yet. If I turn the electric fire on to its first setting, there is no ampage reading because the motor is not using very much current. However, if I turn it up to 1 kilowatt, we should see it read about 4 amps. And there we are, 4.2 amps. If I turn it up to 2 kilowatt, it should double. .3 amps. So it is all working satisfactorily. If I turn it down, goes back to 4.1 amps. Back to the motor. And off. And that is it. It is now working satisfactorily.